Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Maya-maya magsisimula po tayo ng ating Facebook Live seminar this afternoon. So everyone, welcome to Accentric's Facebook Live seminar this afternoon. Find out how to get a student visa or study, leave and migrate to Australia. So welcome everyone. So, why Australia? So, bakit nga ba Australia? So, I'm gonna give you the four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So, number one, it's listed in the best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and listed one of the highest salaries. So, uh, as I mentioned, we have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So, ayan, nasa screen nyo pong lahat. Yung apat na factors of why you should consider or why you should choose Australia. And no worries, Accentrics will gonna help you to get a student visa or to have a chance living in Australia. So let's proceed. So, we have four best features of Australia. So, apat na features nga lang yung kinuha namin. But, that's not the end. It's not just four, but a lot or more. But here is the four best features of Australia. So, number one, Australia has listed in the number three country with the highest average salary. So, once you click this link, so everyone, you can legit check or you can search it on your own kahit nasa bahay kayo or through cell phone. Just copy this link or just kayahin yung link na ito. Then once you click this one, makikita po natin na pangatlo ang Australia sa pinaka matataas na average salary. So I think number one is Switzerland, Singapore. Then pangatlo ang Australia. Then second, pangpito ang Australia sa pinaka-best country in the world. Number nine, best to raise a family. So, maganda bumukod ng family sa Australia. You know why? Because not like here in the Philippines, pag nag-aaral ang ating mga anak, 'di ba? Um, kailangan natin magbayad for their tuition fee, mostly or lalong-lalo na sa private school, right? But in Australia, libre ang anak natin mag-aral or if doon ka bumukod ng doon ka bumukod sa Australia, libre ang inyong anak mag-aral even in colleges. Sila pa po mismo binibigyan ng budget. Yes, that's why number 9 best to raise a family is Australia. So, next, number 27, safest country in the world. So, not just highest average salary, not just a best country, not just a best to raise a family, but also, as a Filipino, we need to secure our safety. That's why Australia is number 27, safest country in the world. So, yan lang po yung apat na best features. But, there's a lot more. But, binigyan lang po kayo namin ng apat. So, let's proceed. So, job prospect, we're gonna help you kung saan kayo pwede mag-apply ng work or saan kayo pwede maghanap ng work. So, here, I'm so lazy to apply. Pag tinatamad ka mag-apply, you don't need to worry. Hindi tayo, not like here in the Philippines, kasi pag nag-apply tayo, kailangan physical presence tayo, di ba? Pupunta tayo sa HR, sa admin, or sa agency, or sa company na pag-a-applyan natin. Sa Australia, they have www.linkedin.com. Pwede po kayo mag-apply doon ng work pag meron na kayo nakitang target work. So, pag may a-applyan, of course, we need yung may trabaho tayong makikita. So, where do I find a job? So, or how do I find a job? Here, we can help you to, or we can offer www.seek.com.au. So, yung seek.com po, dito pwede po kayo scroll or mag-search ng trabaho fit as a student visa holder. So, pag may a-applyan, of course, may trabaho. So, we have linkedin.com for application and we have seek.com for para maghanap ng work. So, for equal opportunity, in Australia, they have equal opportunity, mapababae man lalaki, kahit anong trabaho as long as you are fit to work and fit siya sa isang student visa holder, you can work. Not, kasi yung mostly, like example, like a construction worker, right? Or like mga trabahong lalaki dito sa Pilipinas, bihira tayo makahanap ng babae na nagtatrabaho ng mga trabahong lalaki. But in Australia, they have equal opportunity. So, mapababae man or lalaki, kahit anong trabaho, as long as you are fit to work and that's fit on your, fit siya sa student visa holder, yes. Any job, any gender, you can work. So here, let's proceed sa part ng school's location. So, not just affordable school, but of course, inahanap din namin ang highest hourly rate. So, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rates. So, we have 4 major cities in Australia. So, number 1, we have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. So, I guarantee you all guys, Parramatta is one of the famous right now dahil pinakamaraming work opportunities, matataas na average salaries, and of course, affordable schools. So, lahat tayong mga Pilipino, kailangan din natin or naghahanap din tayo ng kung anong school ang pwedeng makapagtulong sa atin, di ba? So, here, para mostly ngayon na mga nag-student visa holder na nag-granted or napaalis namin is nasa Parramatta. As of now, kasi ang Parramatta is, meron po sila ngayong no IELTS and no show money. So, may school po kami na hindi na tumatanggap ng IELTS and show money as of now. So, this major cities that I offer to you is affordable and of course, highest hourly rate. So for food expenses, so here I will show you the $25 a day meal. So we have pizza, we have Uber Eats, we have grocery in Coles, and grocery in Philo. So here guys, hindi kayo mahihirapan maganap ng makakain nyo everyday because they have Uber Eats, they have grocery in Coles, grocery in Philo, or Asian store. Like, mostly natatrabaho din is kababayan din natin na student visa holder. Our word for today, or Accentrex word of the day, is the most effective way of changing the way we view the world. So, ayan ang ating word of the day. So, let's proceed for typical jobs for students. So, what are the typical jobs for student na fit siya as a student visa holder? So, what are those? Number 1, housekeeper. You can apply as a housekeeper. You can apply it or you can search it at www.sick.com.au. As a student visa, you can apply as a housekeeper, barista, shops and grocery, childcare. So, as I mentioned, those 4, yan lang po yung mga nabibilang sa mga work na pwede po nating pagtrabahuhan as a student visa holder. So, you can apply those kind of work sa linkedin.com. Pwede po kayo mag-apply sa linkedin.com once you already find a work in seek.com. So, ayan, ang laking tulong ng LinkedIn tsaka seek.com because hindi na kayo mangangapa kung saan kayo mag-a-apply, saan kayo pwedeng mag-work, anong work ang pwede nyo as a student visa holder because may nag-aalalay sa ating LinkedIn and seek.com. So here, once you are given a full-time working permit, you can look for a job for your profession. So what are the typical job for professional? So we have office staff or temping, network engineer, assistant in nursing, bookkeeping. So those work that I mentioned is once you are given a full-time working permit na, pwede na kayo maghanap ng work on your profession. So, yung apat na yun or more than that, more work opportunities for professionals. So, kailangan muna natin tapusin ang ating isa student visa holder, then saka tayo magpo-proceed for professionals. So ito, last year, unlimited work rights yung naging promo nila. So aantay natin kung ano pa ang ibababa ng Australian government for benefits, yung mga benefits na ibababa nila. So as of now, for April intake, yung mga benefits na binaba ng schools is no show money and no IELTS. So malaking tulong po yun sa atin, lalong-lalo na sa mga kababayan natin Pilipino na nag-a-apply because no IELTS and no show money is so basic na lang pag nag-a-apply ng student visa. Lalong-lalo na ang daming na-approve na guaranteed because hindi naging hassle ang show money tsaka IELTS for them. So, I advise all of you, the mga viewers na nagwa-watch ngayon, I advise this April intake, you should get the April intake because may benefits na no show money and no IELTS. So, you must have sufficient funds. So, what's that all about? Ano ba yung you must have sufficient funds? So, here, I'm gonna explain it to you all, guys. Na dual applicants in this application confirm that they each have access to sufficient funds to support themselves for the total period of stay in Australia and understand that further evidence of funds may also be requested. So, here, immigration online account po natin ito sa Australian government, kailangan lang po natin patunayan sa Australian government na kaya po nating sustentuhan ng ating sarili sa total period of stay natin sa Australia as a student visa holder. Kailangan lang po nila makita kung kaya po nating sustentuhan ng ating pagstay sa Australia. So, hindi po mahirap yan because you're just gonna put it on your online account kung sino yung funds, saan magagaling yung funds, sino yung sponsor, and magkano yung value mo, yung pera mo sa value ng Australian dollars. So don't worry guys, all the processing time, andito po ang Accentrix to help you.